Hi. Okay, I thought I'd drop in and tell you a little bit about Mindscape Journey. Mindscape Journey was something that I learned quite a few years ago, and it's basically a connection between your mind and your spirit. And you go into your heart space, and in the heart space, where all your power is, you go into your heart space and you build on to that. So with Mindscape Journey, I'm calling it a journey because what it involves is a few rooms, and be as creative as you want. We'll go through that the day of the workshop. But you could make a room for healing, because you can have this whole room for healing, and it's very magical. You could have an elevator in there and call upon the beings of light, and you go up the elevator and go into different dimensions. And you could also have an exercise room. There's like so many things, but what I want to really focus on is the manifestation part of it, because we are creating our life with everything we think and the emotions that we feel. So like everyone that knows me knows that I focus on vibration and the frequency that we're vibrating on. Well, when you combine that frequency and the vibration with Mindscape Journey, you are creating your life in your heart space. And then when you come back in and you're playing in this reality, then it's like everything you created in your heart space comes into this reality. Like there is no choice. So it's a pretty cool workshop, and I'm very excited to share information with you. I know I didn't give you too much information today, but I am just so excited for this workshop because I'm taking information that I learned and I'm going to combine it with the frequency of the quantum field. And that is where you can manifest so many things. You want to manifest more money, you want to manifest more clients, and manifest trips, like all kinds of things. Manifest healing, that's a really good one. And there's so much you can do. So anyway,